If you fool, he'll just take you out, man. And he's a producer too. He's a producer of children in the Ashama. And he's the one we got our accent from. Our thank you accent. Thank you accent. You guys were laughing at. But you guys are laughing at Abraham Atame. Have you considered the English of Ghanaian footballers? Ghanaian footballers, they are English, man. Did you watch the Ghana-Mozambique match? After the match, Kabna Iyabwa, Sports Mugabe, he decided to interview one of the players, Jonathan Mensah or something. Hello, Jonathan Mensah, how are you? Oh, I'm fine. Okay, Jonathan, how did you see the game? Oh, I didn't see it, I played some. Okay, Jonathan, I can see you are keeping in shape, you are so good on the pitch. What is your secret? Oh, I don't have a secret. Every morning, I just wake up and I run away. You wake up and you run away? Oh, yes. And the next morning, I run away again. You mean jogging? You can call it jogging, me, I call it running away. And then Pamela Boy should have stopped there. You continue to ask the guy, did you have any of your family here to watch you? Oh, yes, sir. My 3 daughters. Both of them are girls. Where are they? Oh, they watch me from the audience. Oh, sorry, congregation. However, at this point, all of you would agree should have stopped, right? Now he went on to ask him, how about your parents? Were they here? Oh, I'm sad. This question has put me in a state of despair. Because my father is no more, but my mother is more. Oh, that was when I put my TV off. Hey! Shout out to Ghanaian footballers, man. You rock. And you guys are laughing at Abraham. I think it's good. to have an accent. You know, they call it Lafa, locally acquired foreign accent. Or you can call it a locally acquired Foley accent, you know, your Foley accent, you know. But you know, that accent is good, but you should choose when to use it. Because picture this, it's a long queue, you are going to buy watching, and there's like, 10 people in front of you. You really want to jump the queue, and then go and buy your watching because your boss is calling you, you are late. Okay? So what do? Which accent do you think is appropriate? If you employ the Jehovah accent, man, they will slap you. Be like, hello guys, I'm really sorry, I really need to jump the queue because my boss is calling me and I really need to jump the queue because I'm really late and I have to meet a deadline. Please, I just want to jump the queue. This is typical Ghanaian reaction. I will say that. Then one person responds, or see you want to jump the queue. Or see you want to jump the queue. And then you high jump, or see I come and jump the queue. And you know, Ghanaians can insult. If you really want to know how Ghanaians can insult, go to Jehovah or Leslie Bill's wall and then read the comments under the apology letter. Someone actually said Jehovah's head was like a T-junction. How on earth do you explain that, man? Apart from the insult, now Jehovah has to stand in the mirror and imagine his head like a T-junction. You know they see like T-junction too. Ghanaians can insult. But in this same scenario, okay, imagine you have this accent. You're in the queue and you're like, hello everybody! Allah. The queue is so tall, I want to jump to the queue and go back my watching. Do you want me to jump to the queue or you want me to blow myself up? I am from Buchi, I'm just having my national service there. Typical Ghanaian reaction. What's it there? Buchi Haram. Oh boss, I can't say, listen. Boss, that's a typical reaction, you know. And Ghana is fun, you know. Ghana is fun. These people, they are having fun. I just want to clear this prejudice, you know. Most of you have this idea that every Muslim is a terrorist. No. That idea is not true. Not every Muslim is a terrorist, and not every terrorist is a Muslim. You understand? You can say because you can't say that every Voltarian is an NDC person. You can't say that. And you can't say that every Ekriadonko is a rich. I mean, you can say Ekriadonko is a rich, but you can't say every person called Ekriadonko is a rich. You understand? Yes. Because I believe we are Christian terrorists. Just that we won't take them seriously when they want to blow themselves out. But my uncle as a terrorist is like, and you're not going to have a plastic more easily. There's a plastic more easily. Or back, I don't go to the other plastic. Sunday last year. They'll never take you serious. But I think we have Ghanian terrorists. We have Christian terrorists. Most of you know them. Christian terrorists. We call them Jehovah Witnesses. Those people can frustrate your life to accept Christ as your personal savior. If they can't give us, I want to share the gospel with you. What? No, not today. Okay, I'll come tomorrow. Tomorrow they are there. If you don't accept it, they'll give you a paper, and most of you use the paper to shake. But that is not the point. That track they give you again. Those of you use it to shake. God is watching you. And Jehovah Witnesses are so resolute in their gospel. I love it. God bless them so much. A round of applause for them. Yeah, it's just keep on doing whatever they're doing. But the fact is that they are terrorists. Because we're in the house, we are playing songs, we are enjoying boom, boom, boom. You know how kids run out of the house. My and we are having fun, and then my mom sees them coming from afar. You know they have a signature, you know they have that cup and a bag, and now one woman and then the small boy they are training to be terrorists like them. They are coming like this. The son is watching them, they don't care. That is Christianity. They come, they knock. Fuck off, my mom like, hey! Obey! They want my father now. And then the whole house, we are quiet. Don't even know, don't even know, don't let them, hey, come on. The whole place is quiet. They, instead of them going like, oh, my mom will be like, oh, yeah, you. Well, he's like, and you'll be like, I'll be like, oh, I radio. I'm like, what's wrong? I love them, they should just keep on being there. I dated one lady, she was a Jehovah Witness girl. She was sweet. Apart from giving me toilet paper, she was also very nice and I enjoyed it, you know. Just that we had to break up, but she was too sweet. Anytime she sees me in a cup, she'll be like, oh, I love your cup. Then she takes it off and puts it on her head. And you know, ladies, when they take off your cap and put it on their head, they look so cute in it, you can't just take it back. She did it to me so many times, and then one day I met her, I was not in a couple, but she was looking so cute. She had this ribbon on, she looked so cute. I was like, hey, Adra, I love your ribbon, and then I took it off. And I put it on my head. And then to spite, I was like, oh, she said I disgraced her, she slapped me and then left me. I don't have a girlfriend anymore. But what is it about ladies and your discussions? I was eavesdropping on some ladies' discussion and it was epic. This is what they were saying. One lady was like, Kwame is broke. Kwame, I'm the one who pays for his rent. I'm the one who affords everything for him. Kwame. Another lady was like, then why are you still with him? And this was the answer she gave me. Oh, you should see his bull and calf. I did not know bull and calf. I mean, you also don't know bull and calf, right? And then the other lady helped me to understand. She was like, okay, how is it? How is it bull and calf? This is how they live. It's like straight, but it's not like straight. But I care for it. I go straight. I swear, Family bull and calf, the whole gang. That was when I got to know he was talking about the boy's wiser. Wow, ladies, you are sweet. And let me tell you one thing, this is my own quote. Ladies, the only reason why your unemployed boyfriend is so good in bed is because that is all he does for a living. Or you can quote me on this. The only reason why he's so good in bed is because that's all he does for a living. Once we don't employ people like at work being stressed out, working, doing typing and all those stuff, that idiot is in the house missing concussions. And then we'll be testing at a break, but adding them here, we'll lie around, we'll put them in. And he's thinking of the stars to give you, like yesterday, you know, give them on your mask. You know on your mask? The lady does it. Okay, I want me to give them. I'll give her frozen chicken. Frozen chicken, you know frozen chicken like?
I do.
Oh, frozen chicken.
I like him.
I know when ladies realize that the guy is broke, they can mess up. And the guy cannot leave them. Because that's what the guy has, man. He can't afford to. I mean, when the lady goes, that's all. So the lady can frustrate the guy. The guy is so angry that, hey, you're a major, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry. The guy apologizes for the lady's mistake. But it's a different game. It's an entirely different game when the guy is hot. You know, he has his ride, he has a Range Rover, he has a flat screen, his room is full of air conditioning. You know, he has a small swimming pool at the backyard. You know, he has like a small dance mansion. You know, the guy doesn't care, man. He doesn't care. Then he can do anything he likes. The lady will be like, Kwame, you're frustrating me. Kwame, you're frustrating me. And then get to a point, the lady's like, okay, Kwame, maybe I can't deal with this anymore. You think I'm here with you because of your car? You think I'm here with you because of the swimming pool? You think I'm here with you because of the flash screen? I'm going. She pays her back to that. Then she remembers, no, now she's going to pick Chuks rent already. Stop that. Come on, put on the TV and then watch that camera. Ghanian ladies, man, you guys are sick, man. Round of applause for Ghanian ladies. When you compare Ghanian breakups with foreign breakups, it's just epic. A white lady will meet her boyfriend cheating on her. I need a lady to do this. She's a Bovi. It's a round of applause as I go. You can't continue that. Come on. Oh, come on. A round of applause for that sweet lady. Oh, that was come on. I don't have time. Can you? Yeah. Oh, I chose the right one. This is like John the Baptist asking Jesus, are you sure the one coming or you should wait for the other one? This is the right one. A round of applause for her as she comes. I'm just using it for a scenario. Man, it's sweet, man. Please, this is comedy. Somebody has written at the back of his car, abroad with the limits. Because of you don't understand, she's playing out the limits. Okay, so the lady comes to meet the boyfriend cheating on her. White person. She's like, oh my God. And she doesn't even watch it. She's like, oh God. No, I can't believe it. And you can't believe it. That thing is happening, so you can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm telling you, you really cheated on me. She goes to the house and I'm going to kill myself. She goes to the house. And then the boyfriend is like, oh my God, I messed up. Hey, you, get out. You made me cheat on my girlfriend. Get out. And then he comes out, he's so remorseful, he buys flowers. He's behind his back. Now, ball. Okay, get angry. Get angry like a white lady. This is where you come in. The rest was my joke. This is where you come in. Yeah, so get angry like a... Haven't you been angry before? Nobody can. I mean, nobody can break this body. Yeah, Paul. He just Paul. Yeah, she's born like a white lady. This man. Oh my God. Paul, he just born. Then the guy comes and like, close your eyes, lend me your hand, darling. Now do you feel my heart beating? You belong with me. Do you feel the same? Oh, my only dream. The lady like, Ghana. The lady comes to meet you. How come you have a chair come and see you? Hey, we see you here. I'm going to follow you here. Let's go. I'm going to go. She won't take her eyes off the apartment. Well, but to pass, yeah, we're good at that. And then instead of having to stop and, you know, go, I'm like, I'm not sure. Make a finish it. Ghana man. Make a finish it. And this girl there. And this is the song that Ghana man will bring.
No wonder. Guess the boy swapping. K1 freestyle all day. Some classic lifestyle, man. Let go. K1 in the mix.
Got more flows, life really good, maybe you don't know, here the super stay low, we have got glow, and I'm never gonna blow, cause I'm feeling so high.
Life is good, so I had to live it good, winning on my mind, so I never wanna lose, had to choose life, yeah I need a good pose.